Today I'm going to show you how to find a very interesting app called Pocket Pharmacist, and I'm also going to show you how to use it. Pocket Pharmacist can be found on the App Store, so you would click App Store. Then in your search toolbar you can type in Pocket Pharmacist. And then once you've got it typed in, it'll come up with a P and an X app icon like that. Since it's already downloaded, we would just click open. So Pocket Pharmacist allows you to check information on over 1,500 types of medications that people take each day. It is a very useful app, and it costs about 99 cents, which is pretty cheap. The app allows various individuals, caregivers, or health professionals of any field to look up information on different medications. This is what your first homepage of the app that shows up. As you can see, you can search medications. There's a long list. You can search by drugs or the medication name, the class of medication, or any indications. So we are going to search by drug name. I chose amoxicillin or amoxicillin, and as you can see, it gives your brand name, gives the drug category or class, the type of usage. Then it also goes into different precautions that for people who may have to take this medication, so things that they should look into, the types of interactions. It also describes the side effects, gives you a list of online resources such as how much the drug costs, different prescribing information. It takes you to various web pages that can also assist you with learning more about this medication. And it also gives you the strengths. So does it come in a chewable tablet? How much of milligrams of that chewable tablet? Oral capsule, oral tablet, etc. And if you want to, you can add a note. Another way you can use this app is through MedCheck. And this allows you to compare different medications that you may be using if you're using over more than one. So it allows you to look at the types of side effects both the medications would give you, the different precautions that you should look at. It just gives you an overall basis on what kinds of things may be occurring if you take 2 or more medications. So to do this, you would click on the addition button. You would then choose your drug or medication that you want to look at and compare. As you see, I just chose 2 at random: acetaminophen and Abilify. And the MedCheck results for both of those medications together showed 0 interaction results, 0 precautions that I should be looking for, and 0 side effects. Doctors and various other healthcare professionals can use this. For example, as a speech-language pathologist, I would be able to look at the different medical medications that an individual is taking, and I would be able to see if there's a reason that a person may, for example, who has vocal nodules, a person may have a dry mouth, and what medication is causing the nodules to be worse because of a dry mouth or to cause hoarseness. Another really great feature of this app is the Medbox, and this allows you to create a profile that organizes your different medications that you're taking, You can do a dose reminder so it can tell you when you should be taking that medication. It allows you to have as many profiles as you want, so you can use this in a doctor's office and have a medical profile on each of your patients. And it also gives you an interaction alert. So if two things should not be mixed together, it will tell you. To create the new profile, I just typed in new member profile name as here and click Save. The menu that comes up shows the current medications and past medications, allergies and medical conditions, and then the prescribers of the medications or pharmacies where you got them from. One last thing I'd like to show you is the resources option from the main menu. This allows you to look for a doctor, identify a pill, or do a symptom search. It also talks about different health topics, gives you a medical dictionary, and maybe possible herbs or supplements that you may be taking. And then it also gives you the Federal Drug Administration updates and may identify a pill. Again, we're back to the main menu of Pocket Pharmacist. This app is extremely useful and beneficial for all healthcare professionals, and it provides an abundance of resources on the different medications that our clients or patients may be taking where we would want to know more information about.